Don't blink. Watch this. How did that just change? I didn't touch anything. Bet you can't guess how this works, can you? Stay till the end. I'll show you the secret.
Wait, how did that just change? Did you see that? That was crazy. Like actually crazy.
Okay, hold on. I literally just made this, and now it's changing by itself? What is going on here? All right. I think I know what's happening. Let me show you how to make this magic step by step. Don't worry, this is super easy. Seriously, we just need paper, colors, scissors, and a little bit of glue. Okay, come closer. Let's start from the beginning. This is going to be so fun. You're going to love this. First, I'm drawing a cute little cat. Look at those eyes. It already looks adorable. Now let's add some colors. Nice, right? Trust me, colors make everything look way cooler. All right, now we need a second drawing. Let's make something totally different, like a tiger. Look at this, cute cat and a wild tiger. This combo is gonna look amazing, just wait. Adding stripes, sharp eyes. Ooh, yeah, this one looks strong. I like this. Okay, now focus. This part is important. We need to cut both drawings into equal strips. Let's make this magic puzzle. Take your time. Don't rush it. Straight lines make the magic work perfectly. Now watch carefully. This is where it gets interesting. Cat, tiger. Keep going like this. Let me adjust this a little. Everything has to line up perfectly. Almost there. All right, nice and slowly. Let's glue this down. One piece at a time. Don't rush this part. We've come too far to mess it up now. Okay, perfect. This is looking really good. And now, the secret part. This is where the real magic begins. The sliding frame. Watch this carefully. This is what makes everything come alive. Okay, everything is ready now. This is the moment. I'm actually a little nervous. What if it doesn't work? Okay, let's just try it. All right, slowly. Don't move too fast. I think it's working. Wait, something is happening. No way! It actually worked. Did you see that? That just changed right before my eyes. I love this. This is so much fun. You have to try this. Try different drawings. Get creative with it. And hey, tell me what I should make next. Hey, did you like this magic puzzle? Tap that subscribe button right now and join the fun. And don't forget to like this video. More magic coming next.